Welcome back to Norfolk Boat Sales. Here we have a brand new Viking 26 Golden Crown limited edition, priced at just $64,950 including VAT. This is a fully equipped sail away price. Shall we go on board and have a look? The boat features cutouts in the side giving easy access, lovely spacious cockpit with U-shaped seating across the transom, twin reversible helm seat with storage beneath, teak effect cockpit flooring, and a great driving position with folding screens giving you very low air draft. The boat comes with rev counter and bow thruster. Very easy boat to handle, and it's powered by a Tohatsu 30 horsepower fuel injected outboard. Very quiet, very economical, 5-year guarantee, very reliable. Let's go down below. Here in the saloon we have berths for 6 people. The forward section can be used as seating, or with the infill makes a nice double berth. The dinette converts into a double, and then we have a very large spacious double berth beneath the cockpit sole. The galley runs down the starboard side of the boat. Have an oven and grill, 2-burner hob, sink, and then a fridge beneath, which runs on 12 or 240 volts. The boat comes as standard with warm air heating, shore power, battery charger, so a great package and great value for money. In the wet room we have the shower, we have the electric cassette toilet. We have the next boat available for June 25 delivery, priced again at $64,950, including bow thruster, shore power, warm air heating, battery charger, everything you want for a family cruiser. That price includes VAT, just $64,950. If you're interested, call in or give us a ring. Thanks ever so much.